Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to update VS Code to the latest version. It's very simple. Simply go to the menu and inside help section, just go to the help section and you will see, just go at the bottom side and you will see this option, check for updates. So this is the option that you need to click. It will exactly tell, simply click this and check for updates. And if you're not using the latest version, then it will exactly tell you need to update your VS Code. So now you can see automatically the new update is started downloading. So now it is downloading a new update, and it will actually be, once it completes the update, you need to complete that installation and your VS Code will be updated to the latest version. So this is the way. Go to the menu, go to help section and simply click on check for updates, and after that the update downloading will start. So just wait for the update to install. You can even go to about section. So this will actually show you the current version of your VS Code, like what is the current version, everything related to your VS Code, which operating system, Node.js, Chromium version, everything it will show. You can also copy this information by clicking the copy button and simply paste this information. So if you do want to share with someone, so these are two options. Go to help section and simply click on check for updates. So as you can see, it is still downloading the update. So once it finishes, it will give you this notification that download update has ended. You just need to simply install that update. So just wait for the update to complete. So it's still downloading it, as you see. So in this easy way, you can update your VS Code to the latest version. So still it is downloading it. So once it finishes, it will show you the installer. The update has complete. You need to install this.